Welcome to our kitchen.
I hope you will join our big family. Let's start our recipe.
Let's prepare sweet potatoes in a truly unique way, everyone. Caramelized, mind-blowing, and with a sauce that is simply incomparable. Believe me, the glossy shine on its own is mouth-watering and literally captivating. Once you try sweet potatoes this way, you will never stop making them. I highly recommend trying this recipe, my dears, because you are going to love it so much. Just look at those colors. Truly, nothing is more beautiful than this. Now, to start, bring some sweet potatoes, preferably a bit on the larger side. The quantity is entirely up to you, 1, 2, or 3 according to your preference. I added water without fully submerging them. The water level was just slightly above the halfway mark. Then I turned on the heat. Once the water starts to reduce, they have begun to cook through. Test them for tenderness, and if they are done, perfect. We remove them from the pan and see what's next. It is better to use a wide pan so the potato pieces don't break. I removed them as you see, then I took half a cup of sugar and added a packet of vanilla. I let it melt until it caramelized, then added half a cup of water. Now I'll start stirring until all the sugar dissolves in the water. You might find it clumps a bit at first, but no problem. Keep stirring and it will melt beautifully. Now we put back the boiled sweet potatoes into the pan. Keep the heat low and let them caramelize together. Use a brush to give them a nice coat of that caramel. Oh, guys, it's so delicious, truly wonderful, and warms the heart in this winter weather. Every 3 minutes, open the lid and give them a polish with the brush using the caramel. This technique gives you a flavor that is richer and more delicious than anything else. Now the potatoes are ready. Look at this beauty. Let's go serve them immediately. Bring your serving plates, take the potatoes, and split them open like this. You can simply drizzle the sauce over them or garnish with pistachios as I did. You can even leave them plain depending on your taste. As for the optional ingredient I added, it's the cream, or the ashta. You can use any type of cream you prefer for garnishing. Honestly, the taste of cream with this recipe is incredible. Truthfully, my children even ate the ones without cream because they are irresistible either way. Guys, it's a love story. Look, just look, the colors alone are mind-blowing. The cream and pistachios are optional. I just wanted to add them to break the colors. Perfect. Now take the remaining sauce from the pan and garnish the potatoes. The combination of vanilla and sweet potato is literally a heart-melting experience. I advise you, my dear friends, try this recipe because you'll adore it. Plain or with nuts, it's up to you. Look at this beauty, wonderful. The taste of caramel with vanilla is truly mouth-watering, and the shine on these potatoes